Hi guys, my name is Ritesh and I'm a product designer. In this video, we are going to talk about a Figma extension that newly launched by Figma for designers. So what this extension can do is, where we can take any screenshot of website and that we can turn into editable Figma file. Let's see how you can use it. And for that, you have to install the extension. Just open the Chrome and just go to Chrome Web Store and write here is Figma, okay, and add this to Chrome and then turn it on, and this will ask for login with Figma. So now we have to give the access. So yes, we are in. So now what you can do is search any website you like it. For example, I like some monday.com. I think this is I was building something, so it looks good, so that's why I choose it. So I think this website is good. Now we can take an editable screenshot, run the plugin Figma, give the access. So now we have two options: capture the entire page, or you can select any section in the website. So I want to capture the whole page. So Figma, this extension is capturing. Now this is captured. I will go to Figma file, and what I do is I will paste it here. So it's pasting. It will take just few seconds. Voila. Here you can see our editable screenshot is here. So we can change anything. So this is really good. By the way, there are some of the fixes we have to do it. Some text is overlap here and there, that we need to fix it. All over, this have done really good work. So yeah, and what else, I will show you like how this select elements works. So for example, I want this page this section. What I do is I will select, I will capture, and I will go in the Figma and I will paste it here. See, I will make the background. You can see everything is editable. This is a really good move for designers. By the way, I was waiting too long time, so I was using like another plugins like HTML to design. So now I think this is a replacement of that plugins. So yeah, this is really good. This is all in this video. Hope you like it. If you have any suggestion or feedback, please comment below. Take care guys.